Welcome back to Livin-Life Sports Cards. Today I've got another 2025 Prizm Draft Picks football. Appreciate y'all. Go ahead and hit that like and subscribe. And don't forget to check out my eBay store at Livin-Life Sports Cards. You will find some of these and a whole bunch of stuff I think you'll like. All right, this is pack number 2 of the box. We got Devin Neal. There's Will Shepard. Then we run into our colors, so we're going to go with Brashard Smith. There is Joe Montana, throwback. We've got Quinshon Judkins on the trophy hunting base. He's a beast, is he not? Dylan Raiola on the rated rookie, or rated prospect base. All right. There's Raheem Sanders on the silver. We have Jack Sawyer on the blue wave. Blue wave is numbered to 299. Well, Cam Scattaboo on the purple cracked ice. And that is numbered to 199. That is a good looking card. And our autograph is Jalen Royals. I'm not sure who he plays for. That is numbered to 399. Appreciate y'all watching. We'll see you next time.